everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I will be telling you how you can recover your deleted files from iPhone 16 Pro Max or iOS 18.2 or 18.3 above. So what you need to do here is you just need to open up the file section here, and you can just double tap on the browse section here, and you will see there will be an option recently deleted, which you have accidentally recently deleted your files. You can just double tap on it, and there's a file which will be available to you, and you can check out the file which you have recently deleted. After checking it out, which files you have recently deleted and naming it out, you just need to go to the settings and then the Apple ID, and then you need to go to the iCloud, and then you can see there is a drive section here. Just tap on the drive section, make sure that your phone is already synced with the iCloud drive, and it is storing the data to the iCloud. If you have accidentally deleted the file on your phone, it must be available in your iCloud data. So what you need to do is open the browser and go to the iCloud.com here. It will show up you the screen something like this. Just hold on. It will show you a screen something like this. It will open up your ID, and what you need to do here, just go on this app section here, and then there is a drive section, Apple Drive section. Go on the Apple Drive section, it will show you the file which you have recently deleted. You can go on the tab button and download a file over here which you have deleted. The another way which you can do is, you can see that there is an option of data recovery here on the iCloud drive. You can go to the data recovery, and you can check if there is any file store within your iCloud. You can just tap on it, and as I don't have any file at the moment, if I will I could be having it, it will be displayed over here, and I can restore all my data from this section. So that's how you can recover the deleted file from your iPhone and iCloud. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you like the tutorials, a thumbs up will be a very good thing. So thank you. Until next video, bye bye.